Imagine an asteroid the size of a city hurtling towards Earth. What's humanity's last line of defense? For decades, it was a question mark, but a new revelation from NASA might just change everything. Get ready to uncover the classified initiative known as Project Guardians, humanity's secret weapon against cosmic threats. I've always wondered what would happen if an asteroid was headed straight for Earth. Well, today we might have an answer. But not just any answer. A top-secret, cutting-edge solution that's been hiding in plain sight. NASA's Project Guardians. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But it's real, and it might just be our last line of defense against cosmic destruction. What if we could actually prevent an asteroid impact? Let's start with a number. 66 million. That's how many years ago the dinosaurs were wiped out by an asteroid. But asteroids don't just belong in history books. They're out there right now, silently hurtling through space. In fact, just last year, an asteroid the size of a school bus came within 13,000 miles of Earth. That's closer than some of our satellites. The universe is playing a cosmic game of chance with Earth, and we've been lucky so far. Now you might be thinking, so what? We've got advanced technology. Surely we can handle a space rock. But this is where it gets scary. Until recently, we didn't have a universally accepted, ready-to-deploy planetary defense system. In 1908, a relatively small asteroid exploded over Tunguska, Siberia. It flattened 80 million trees over an area of 830 square miles. That's bigger than New York City. Imagine if that happened today, over a densely populated area. The consequences would be catastrophic. What if I told you NASA has a secret mission? Operating in the shadows, protecting Earth from a threat you can't even see. For years, they've been deploying unseen guardians, silently working to safeguard our planet's future. Discover the untold story behind NASA's clandestine climate efforts and the vital role they play in our survival. The Whispers from Above, Earth's atmospheric shield. Earth's atmosphere is more than just empty space. It's a living, complex entity, swirling with energy and life. What if there are guardians we don't even know about, constantly working to protect us? The secrets of our planet's hidden shield are waiting to be uncovered. But what if I told you that all of this might be about to change? Enter Project Guardians, NASA's classified initiative. It's not just a plan or a proposal. It's a real, functional system designed to detect, intercept, and deflect incoming asteroids. It's like Earth finally decided to get an immune system against cosmic threats. The project was conceived in response to growing concerns from the scientific community about our cosmic vulnerability. So how does Project Guardians work? At its core, it's a three-step process: detection, interception, and deflection. The detection part uses a network of telescopes constantly scanning the skies. It's like having millions of eyes watching the cosmic neighborhood. Project Guardians isn't about blowing up asteroids. That could create more problems than it solves. Instead, it uses kinetic impact and gravity tractors. It's like cosmic billiards mixed with the delicate art of shepherding. But how do we know if this system works? NASA isn't waiting for a real asteroid to find out. They're running extensive simulations. One of the most exciting tests was the DART mission in 2022. DART successfully changed the orbit of a small asteroid by crashing into it. This was a proof of concept for the kinetic impact method, and it worked even better than expected. It's like we just learned how to punch a cosmic bully and make it change direction. Pretty cool, right? Now you might be wondering, is this just a NASA thing? Well, Project Guardians isn't going it alone. Space agencies from Europe, Russia, China, and others are all involved. It's like the whole world coming together for a cosmic neighborhood watch. This global collaboration is crucial because asteroids don't care about national borders. An impact anywhere would affect everyone. It's the ultimate test of human unity. Can we put aside our differences to protect our shared home? The answer seems to be yes. So what happens when a real threat is detected? Project Guardians has protocols in place for various scenarios. If an asteroid is detected years in advance, a gravity tractor might be deployed. For more imminent threats, kinetic impactors would be launched. It's like choosing between diplomacy and forceful action, but on a cosmic scale. The response is tailored to the specific threat. Project Guardians isn't the end of the story. It's just the beginning. NASA constantly works to improve Earth's defenses. Future plans include more advanced detection systems, multiple layers of defense, and even the possibility of asteroid mining to reduce potential threats while gaining valuable resources. We're not just building a shield, we're building a whole cosmic ecosystem of protection and exploration. The stakes couldn't be higher. A large enough asteroid could cause global climate change, worldwide crop failures, and potentially human extinction. But with Project Guardians, we're not helpless anymore. We're taking our cosmic destiny into our own hands. It's like we're finally growing up as a species, ready to face the challenges of our cosmic neighborhood. With Project Guardians, NASA is turning science fiction into science fact. The next time you hear about a close call from space, remember, humanity's shield is up, and it's getting stronger every day. We're no longer just passengers on Spaceship Earth, we're becoming its guardians. And that's pretty amazing, isn't it? And as always, thanks for watching.